Ultrasonic cleaner power indicator does not light up. When the equipment control circuit feels lights red, disconnect the number 7 wire of the timetable and temperature control meter and replace it with a new insurance. Observe which instrument is causing the fuse to blow when connected. This indicates that the corresponding instrument is damaged. When the phase sequence fuse lights green, the control circuit is not damaged. The customer has not moved the machine, and the power grid has not been changed. This indicates that the phase sequence fuse is faulty and should be replaced. When the temperature controller displays a screen, but the timetable does not display a screen, simply replace the timetable. When the timetable displays a screen, but the temperature controller does not display a screen, simply replace the temperature controller.